morning, welcome to MB Office. This is Shiva. Day 4 of 2.5 lakhs to 60 lakhs challenge. Today market open. Slight gap up. Expecting a bullish trade. We're comparing Nifty bullish. Also Sense also showing bullish. Today is a monthly expiry. So I'm planning for Nifty. We can clearly see Nifty comparing both indices high bullishness. So I'm entering a Nifty. Let me convert into 30-minute time frame. You can clearly see there is a upside gap pending. High chance is gonna fill the gap. Market never leave the gap. They don't like gaps, so try to fill. So we can the first target as the gap and fill. Okay, once we get a confirmation, then we'll enter. I'm just waiting for an inside candle. Once we get an inside candle, we'll enter. Okay, Sense is also trying to bullish. Banknifty up close, slight bearish comparing both. Okay, I'm ready. Let's enter. So, the entry base very clear. Morning open is a reversal hammer, the symbol of bullishness. So I've entered after retracement. Here we enter the reversal enter. The below candle I'll exit. A very simple trade. And today is the monthly expiry. There is a high theta decay. That's why there is a quick entry, quick exit today. I am placing SL. On this candle call, will place our SL. Okay, the trade got started. At least we take 1:2, the first target. Then we'll expand the trade. Okay. You can clearly see the gap fill. We get 1:5. So I'm updating for SL. So it very small SL. If the candle goes below, it means the trade got reversal. There is no scope for the upside. That's why I update our SL. Let me update our SL. It's a high chance it is going to be continue bullish from here only. If it break the low, it's going to be reversal. So I'm updating SL. As much as possible, save your capital. Take small risks. Okay, trade already started. Okay, we clearly see the trade got started. Okay, so I'm trialing right now. I'm trialing trial SL because if we got reversal, at least we're gonna take some points. So the main rule: never leave profits on table. Try to cut as much as losses and try to hold your winning trades. Let's go. This candle close green is highly confirmed it's going to be bullish. So let's for the candle close. updating or trial sell. Shall again updating. The simple rule: try to always trial your SL as much as possible. You can clearly see. Okay. Chalo. The trial is triggered. The reason there is no strength in spot shot and Sensex also trying to fall. Look at this quick. At the same time, Nifty also falling. Banknifty also bearish. That's why exited. We'll plan new trading on Banknifty. This is the orders. Let's take a new trade on Banknifty. Because there is a bearishness in Banknifty. Okay, but this time I'm sell side because it's a monthly expiry. There are high decay, so I'm planning to sell because we already profited in one trade. So I'm trying to save the capital. Okay, this is very simple strategy. If you don't know how to, you can check my previous video. I'll explain how to create a starter as triangle in easy way. This is the maximum loss and maximum profit and break even. Below break even, we wanna make money. If we hit target, we gonna achieve 29,000. The final lesson, above the final lesson between the break even, if the market consolidate, it means we gonna lose. Okay, Sensex trying to fall. I just need a confirmation from Nifty and Sensex. Also, Nifty also trying to fall. Banknifty at all-time high, so it's needed as consolidation at least. Then it's going to break upside or downside. Okay, I'm planning to enter. This is max profit 29. The max loss is 6,200. If we already gained 11,000, if we lose, we still in profit. That's why I'm entry on this trade because we already hedged. Chalo, entry. I'm placing market order. This is the max someone needed to place. Trade got executed. These are the order books and the PNL. So I'm placing the PNL. You can clearly see the PNL. We are profitable. You can see there is we are 11,000. If we lose, only lift 6,000. So we are gonna still in profit of 5,000. So if we win 29,000, let's wait for it. I'll only wait until 2 o'clock because the expiry after 2 o'clock will see a rally. That's why I'll wait until 2 o'clock. Before the 2 o'clock we hit target, we'll hold until we'll exit. You can see market rate double top. It's going to be bearish. So we get more confirmation to hold, and we have downside support also. Try to come and again take support, then try to pull. So we're gonna hold until break even. We clearly see the both double tops. We break the upside, it's made the fake double top. It's going to be considered, it's going to be bullish until the break upside. I'll gonna wait. The first target going to be break even, then I'll wait until the target. Market right now at the day low. It might be take support, but there is no strength to continue. It's going to break again. There is no panic. There is no formal exit. Look at that. The red candle giving me more confirmation it's going to be risk. I'm placing a trigger. The about this resistance, I'm going to exit because there is no reason to hold. Above the resistance, I'm going to exit. Sure, market trying to bullish, so I'm exiting. Exited because the monthly expiry don't take 2 steps. These are the pineapple. These are the others. After exited there, I just see a small entry on Nifty. Nifty showing bearishness. We can see the double top. There high chance for it's going to fall and test the day low. That's why I entered this trade, and I'm not so much of confident this trade. That's why I exited small of the quantity. It 225 only. The below target going to be 200 EMA. So I'm placing my stop loss. Let's go. It's very clear. I'm trying to take at least 1:2. They woke the red candle. I'm going to exit. There are high chance for it going to be fall because there is no strength in both indexes. There might be chance for the fall. Then the second half is going to be bullish. That's why I entered in this trade. We clearly see it's already working on our side. Okay, let me wait for the candle close. I just need a bullish candle in option chart and a great red candle in spot chart. Okay, let me wait. I'm placing a horizontal line. Okay, and the second target going to be yesterday low. Yesterday low and high always work as the support and resistance. So I'm placing yesterday low as the second target. Okay, the target going to be 200 EMA. The reason behind it. So the 200 EMA going to be the target. So once I am placing one more horizontal line to confirm, and I am deleting this one. So too close to hit our SL. There is no form exit. I'm ready to give SL to market. I always said the market right to give money, let's take it. Try to cut as much as loss, but wait for your SL, respect your SL. Don't panic and don't FOMO exit and FOMO entry. Okay, I'm just updating my SL. Below this I'm going to exit automatically. So it has to be fall. In case the monthly expiry there is a sharp movement any side in second half. That's why I'm waiting. Okay. So I can try to bullish. Let's wait for the closing. So I'm updating. Try to cut as much as possible your losses. So I'm updated by SL. Chalo, SL got hit. These are the positions, and we made loss of 3,510 rupees. 903. These are the order books. After exiting the trade, I can see bullishness in the market. That's why I'll take a small scalp trade. That's why I entered in Nifty. The reason very clear. And see, there is bullish candle in Banknifty, but the bullishness pending in Nifty. That's why I entered in Nifty. I'm just planning for the scalp. This is the trade. Once I hit my target, I'll exit. I'm not gonna hold. Okay. Once I get a confirmation, I'll exit. It's very clear. Scalp, you have to be quick as soon as possible. We get a quick exit. The same happened today. So I'm done with. These are the positions. Okay. This is the target. We already made 90,000. After closing our trades, I can see there is a bullishness pending in market. It's already came in Banknifty. They're pending with Nifty. So I'm planning for the heroes trade because it's a monthly expiry. Monthly expiry, the second half we can see a rally in one side. So once I confirm with trade, I'll entry on Nifty. In Hero Zero, most of people know. I'll just explain once again. We're gonna enter certain amount, we're gonna double that amount, or we're gonna lose the entire amount. This is the call Hero Zero. So I'm only taking the amount of what I gained today, the half of the amount. Let's go. I want to enter 10,000. So I'm planning for double the amount I invested in 10,000. I'm expecting to 20,000 at least. About 20,000. I try to achieve. If we're gonna lose 10,000. We are still profitable of 9,000. Let's wait for it. These are the targets. Okay, this is my first target. If the break high, it's highly confirmed it's going to be fill the upside target too. I just need a good candle because the monthly expiry and second half there is a high theta decay. So trade start our side. We are actually 1:1. So I'm placing a small SL. Reason you have to continue bullish from here only. In case it fall down, at least we're not going to lose entire investment amount. That's why I'm planning to place a 3 points SL. It's mostly bullish. I'm just placing a safety purpose. Sure, I'm trailing myself. The reason behind this trailing myself, the market is clearly showing their bullishness, so that's why I don't want to lose my investment amount. That's why I'm rating my SL. You have to cut your losses. I repeat multiple times. I want to repeat once again. You have to cut your losses. Hold your winning. Sure. Nifty ready to break the resistance. If the once the resistance broke, it's going to be highly bullish. You're gonna achieve target too. That's why right now I'm trialing my SL because we're gonna at least gain some amount of money. Let's go. Okay, I'm gonna try SL once again. Try to take as much as points possible. Don't leave money on the table. Chalo. The SL got triggered. Done for the day. See you next video.